Trainers, the Harvest Festival is back, and it's packed with autumn goodness. We're celebrating the debut of the newest Apple Evolution, Dipplin, and its final form, Hydrapple. But getting them is tough. You need a massive amount of Applin Candy and 20 Syrupy Apples to evolve just one Dipplin. Here's the pro tip the community found: Syrupy Apples have a much higher chance of dropping from Pokestops that have an active Mossy Lure Module, that's the one with the glowing leaf effect. With MagFone, I can instantly be anywhere in the world. Watch this, I'm setting my GPS right now to Yoyogi Park in Tokyo, Japan, using the coordinates, a notorious hot spot for players. Just a single click, and boom, I'm there. And we start catching every Applin we see, making sure to use a Pinap Berry every time. Remember the event bonus, Pinap Berries give you double candy, allowing us to farm those 200 Applin Candies ultra fast. I'm immediately looking for those leaf effect Pokestops with a Mossy Lure. I found one. Now, we spin for our Syrupy Apples. The best part is the freedom MagFone gives you. I can switch to the joystick mode to walk smoothly and safely to the next cluster of lured Pokestops without ever leaving my couch. And here's the most important point, MagFone uses safe, proprietary technology. It ensures your gameplay is completely normal, you can catch Pokemon, spin Pokestops, raid, and battle without worrying about getting banned. It's the secure way to maximize your game time and event progress from home. Now for the payoff. Let's perform the evolution. And there it is, the sweet, new Dipplin.